My friends, welcome to day 8. Addie will be guarding the perimeter of this hot set. A little warm today in Florida. Great back work today. A lot of back stretches and movement. What does it matter what I say though? Let's get moving. Today's random question is, what is the best movie sequel? Comment below. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Make sure you keep inviting your friends and family to join you in this 30-day odyssey. All body weight. What a beautiful thing. We're going to start in dolphin pose. Modify as needed. Always use control. Find where you are at in your movement. So forearms down. Look at what Addie did. Bring the forearms down and the feet to the mat. Tuck the toes. You can also bring the knees down. We're going to press back. Add a little bit of a pulse. Inhale forward, exhale back. Activating a lot of movement in the back and the glutes and down the legs. Inhale, exhale. In the nose, out the nose. Bend the knees also if you feel extra tight, but that's why we're here. You might feel really tight. It might feel uncomfortable, impossible. Practice. Be consistent with your practice. I always think the best things in life are ones that we work towards, we earn through little suffering, lots of practice, and consistency. 5 more breaths. I'm in a Harry Potter maze right here from Goblet of Fire. That's what my friend Peter calls it. And he's correct. Good, little slippage there on the forearms. Sunscreen and sweat. Title of my autobiography. One more time. Forward and back. Woo. Knees down. Sitting back and shoulder rolls. Inhale up, exhale back. 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Keep the flow moving. Come to downward facing dog. Not much time in down dog right now, so let's bring the right foot forward. Drop that back knee, and we just did that inversion with the dolphin. So let's lace the fingers behind us, hinge forward, drop the shoulders back. We have a back bend activating all that the lunge offers in the hip flexors and the quads and the balance. You can also bring your palms together if you're a little more seasoned in the mudra bind. Yes. Yes. All right, hands down, step back to down dog. Whoa. All right, long stretch, little sway side to side. We have the inversion. And then left foot, hey, sweetheart. There she is. She just appeared. We have low lunge, and there she goes again. Lace the fingers, hinge. She cannot resist going into the bushes there, but she's getting a bath today, so it's all right. Good. Draw it back, hinging forward, slide the right knee back. Good. Deep breathing in the nose, out the nose. 1 more breath. Oof. That is good. Step back to down dog. Deep breathing and sway those hips side to side again. Tell you what, let's bring the feet together if you're able. Sink the heels down and we sway like a pendulum back and forth. Unlock the back's potential. Take the hands wider. A little more foundation, a little more balance, and also you could press into that opposite palm. So if you're leaning to the left, you press into your right palm. Lean to the right, press into the left palm. There it is. Now we're learning. Let's not rush this one. This is some massive movement happening, massive healing, massive invigoration of the back. All right, we come back to down dog. There goes Addie. Left leg up, open the hip. Drop the right forearm down if you like. We have a scorpion down dog. Keep opening, keep opening. Can work your balance by taking the left hand off the mat periodically. For me, it's for 1/10 of a second. Boom. Yes. All right, swing that left foot forward, warrior position. Here we are. Hello. Turn that back foot in, bend that front leg, and reverse. Hand on the leg, or reach the arm across, up and back. So we have the inversion, and then the beautiful back bend. 3 breaths. There she goes again. All right, arms up, cactus arms, open, melting down. Melt it down, melt it down. Hands to the mat, step back. Beautiful. We have scorpion on the other side. If you like, drop the left forearm. Hand off the mat too for more intensity. Woo, boing, right back up. You will fall, you will wobble, you will falter. Get right back up. Get back. Breathe. All right. All right, foot forward, warrior, and reverse. And cactus arms, open. Melting down. Addie's, where did she go? Look at her running around. Step back, lower down, hover, and then up into cobra or all the way up into upward facing dog. Stretch it out. Stretch out the back. Take it back to down dog. Let's do that once again. A little faster. Open up. Foot forward. Reverse. She will need a bath. I can't even describe what she's doing over there. Cactus arms, melting, melt down. Always control back. Right leg, open. Been filming with Addie for almost 10 years now, a little under 10 years. We'll have to do a big anniversary blowout and reverse. And cactus, melt it down. Hands down, step back, flow through it. And back to down dog, feet together. Let's take them side to side. Hands wide, wider if you wish. Pick up where you left off. Good, slow drop to the side with the exhale. Massage the feet. Push into the opposite palm, extend through there on a diagonal. All these little hidden treasures. It's like the Legend of Zelda, the original game. In those underground caverns. Plant a bomb and boo-doo-doop, there's a hole in the wall. Look at that. Who didn't get a little dopamine rush when that happened? All right, knees down, shoulders back. And here's what we got going on over here. What's going on, Addie? All right, we're gonna finish with the ripple. I got her. Okay. Memories of filming with my sweet girl here. So we come to down dog. We're gonna finish with the ripple, R-I-P-P-L-E. Press into the toes, round the upper back. You can also do this with your knees down. And then slowly drop, draw the shoulders back, drop your tummy towards the floor or your stomach if you prefer, and then we go right back. So press back into the heels, lengthen the spine, returning to down dog. Again, round. Breathe however you wish. Make sure you're breathing in the nose, out the nose, and then we drop. So you get the benefit of the inversion and then the boom. Back bend, press back, a little wider, a little lengthier. Nice bendy spine, get those muscles full of blood. Press back. Let's do 2 more, if Addie will allow it. There she goes. I shortened her line a little bit. And then back. Okay, one more time. Take it slow, press into the toes. We round, 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 and then drop. Notice how my shoulders are going back, my elbows come into the sides. I get to look up at that tree right there. And then we press back slowly, slowly, slowly. And there it is, my friends. Day 8 of this 30-day beautiful challenge. Well done. Remember, keep inviting your friends and family to join us. And today's random question is, what's the best sequel? The best movie sequel ever. What is it? Well done, my friends. I will see you tomorrow for day 9. God bless you. Until then.
If you enjoy my workouts, please consider picking up some of my best-selling books.